Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to overlay an image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have these two right here. So we have this image and this video right here. So since we're going to overlay an image, we would want it in our timeline to be at the top right here. So make sure that it's at the top so that you can see it right here. So it would be the foreground and everything below it would be the background. As you can see, this is our image. And if you want to edit that, you can click on the image right here on your timeline. And then from here, you want to go into Effect Controls. And you can go for motion so that you can adjust it. You can adjust its scaling, or you can just simply edit it right here. And you can position it wherever you want. Maybe at this one right here. You can drag it right here and put it right here. And yeah, just like that, you have now overlaid an image right here on your video. And the most important thing that you need to remember is that it should be at the top if you don't want it to get covered up by your other video assets right here. So that is basically it on how you can overlay an image right here on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.